At first, I took a old clay thali. I'm going to decorate this thali. Now here I took a coloring tape. You can took any design or any colors tape. Just make a plus sign with the help of this tape on this thali. Watch this video till the end. It will look like this. Now I'm taking a blue color tape and doing the same. Make a plus sign with the help of this tape. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future videos notifications. It will look like this. This is Fevikwik acrylic colors. I will provide the link on the description box if you want to buy this. I'm just taking yellow color and starting to paint this. You can follow me on other social medias. Link is on the description box. Go and check out. Now I'm taking orange color and paint this. You can give more than one coat of color for better result. Now I took black color, coloring this inner side. Now I'm taking red color. It's time to do some designs. This is a very easy and simple design. Now it's looking like this. Again I took red color and doing outer sides. Now I took blue color, just doing some simple designs. taking white color, it will make this more beautiful. Just some more dots. This is Fevikwik Gold Dust. You will get this on local stores for 40 rupees, and this is binder. If you want, you can skip the binder. Just taking some binder on my fingertips and little gold dust, and just apply it on the sides. It will enhance this look. Now taking this moti stone and just put it on the middle. Again I took white color. Doing some more dots. To make this more beautiful. It's easy and fun to do. And finally it's done. If you think this video is helpful for you, then comment below and let me know. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.